fellas, welcome back to another one. This is the Not So Solo Native. I'm heading out camping out Millstream National Park, and I got my mate behind in his rig, so I'm going to do overnighter. I just bought myself a new rooftop tent, so I got the Motop V5 120, I think they call it. So I'll test that out, see how it goes, and maybe give you a bit more camping content. Switch it up, because have a break from the coral trout, I reckon. But yeah, hope you enjoy this one. Show you what's out here, because it's real nice out here. It's lovely. Right. Right, just as I'm getting closer to the turn off, just back that way there's a few water holes and gorges, and the most popular one would be Python Pool. But I'll save that for another time when the wet season really truly kicks in. Then I'll come back out and film all that. Hopefully biggest my brain, so everything be flowing and it'd be lovely and green and nice. So that'll be in another one. Joking. Bird shit on my windscreen. Unless you're from there and you put mud on the eyes. First little spot, pulled up at the crossing for a little dip. Because where we're going is straight through that way, but we have to go around and then into the gorge. What do you reckon, Cobb? Get in there, bro.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. Do it again. Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. could've swore that I was winning. Kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moon shined. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care anymore.
Righto, that's the entrance into the gorge. There's usually a little bit more water than this, mainly in the wet season, but still always flowing all year round. This place is one of my favourite spots to visit. It's just too lovely out here. Hey, you nearly never let go or what?
Oh, that hurt.
Oh yeah, couple there.
Got two?
Yeah, we'll keep them.
Keep them. That's the tin meat, huh?
That's him.
Tin meat special from Patrick.
What, we got one more net left?
Yeah, one more there.
That's him. Chuck him back in. Another little fella here.
Throw him in. So chicken neck's winning.
Old chicken neck, eh?
Aye.
Good enough in here, bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, hopefully she don't get stuck.
Any? Couple.
Couple then.
Another fish.
Oh yeah.
Alright. So we got the lamb neck winning. That's a ringer.
That's it.
So we got two of each in these and a shitload in the chicken necks.
I think the chicken necks might be the go.
They look like the winner.
What's that again? What is that?
Oh, that's what I'll put in. That's the
Lamb necks.
Lamb bone.
Oh, lamb bone.
Yeah.
Oh, good old lamb bone, eh?
Got lamb bone, chicken necks, and tin meat from Patrick. You reckon that's the Broom special, that one?
That's what he reckon. I reckon he might be able to take that back with him.
Gotta leave that one back in Broom, huh? Pretty sure this one right here, look up. Where's blue claws go?
Oh, blue claws.
Like right here. Like right there maybe. Yep, where'd he go? He just moved somewhere.
Looking.
Right there, he just moved somewhere. There, what's that, mate?
That's him. Oh, that little fella.
Is it? Oh, no, no. Oh, they're in here, I just seen two of them.
Oh, look at two.
Oh, there. What's that?
That's an old one.
That's an old one. No, there's one that moved. Oh, I because he was here first, look. He was right
Oh,
here.
yeah, I just seen him. He just left my foot.
Oh, yeah, there's...
Nah, he's in there.
Hey, see the fish? Oh, yeah. That's
You got
one
him?
right there, look. Yeah, look at the tail. See the tail?
I'll grab him then.
Hang on. Put the camera on. What, grab him. Yeah. Where's he facing?
I don't know. I can't see him.
Hold on, wait. Where's he going? No, he's moved again. There he is. I need one of his old this year. Drop it.
Look at the size of him.
Hey, come forward. There's more.
That's bait, man. That's blue bone bait right there.
I mean,
Never caught a blue bone in his life.
he didn't caught a blue.
And that's the bait, isn't it?
Hey, come forward down here. Another one.
What you got there? Oh, look
Red
at the
claw.
size of him, man. Hang on. Oh, that's a nice size.
Spider there. Watch that spider web there, Cobble, when you climb over.
Spider web.
Yeah, on the floor, but it's on the floor.
On the floor.
Like right here, look.
What, golden orb? Oh,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah. One here, Cobble. See there? See in there?
Oh, yeah.
Any other ones?
Shine a light.
Pull that reed. There he is.
Oh, you bastard.
There he is. Look. Grab him fast. That's him.
There he is.
Another one.
Shine a light. There he is. Oh,
He moved.
Yeah.
Move this way. We'll go get this one over here. There's one over here.
You want?
No, it's one of another one. Well, how much do you fella going to get? Because I ain't leaving.
No, we'll take all of them, man.
There's one who's just here.
Bro, they are a pest to WA. They're not native to you.
I seen one here somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Yep. Grab that one there, Cobb. Right there, at your foot. There he is. I'll take him.
Look there. That one, Cobble. Grab him.
Yeah, grab this one. Oh no, you're right.
Oh, yeah. You want to hold
Just,
it?
just shine a light.
Yep.
Oh, you little prick. There he is.
Any more? Any more?
That's it.
I reckon you might go back, eh? Oh, look here, copper, there's two. Hey, there's two there. Oh, look at the size of him. We've got the old Patrick special. Oh, you got a good size one there.
Good enough.
What's that, little catfish? Yeah, I got a catfish for you, mate. Oh, couple there. What we got there, copper?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Couple.
alright. So old tin meat's coming last, eh?
Oh, I'm trying to be serious.
What they say, how but it sounds like a hillbilly.
Hey, come on, it's getting late now.
Hi, man.
Why didn't you jump with the GoPro?
I did that this morning.
Oh. So you're just gonna edit it to make it look like you jumped with the GoPro?
That'd be like Russell Coit snapped that bread from the neck and have it back up.
That'll be a nice transition.
Yeah.
Go on, cover.
It's been a minute now.
Woo! Woo! How's it to be?
Yeah.
Had them there flying over. Cool.
What's the traditional name from?
I call them water. That's what we call them. Water.
What, you throw the kids in?
Nah. We just stood here on the stairs.
No way am I swimming here. Look at it. Just a drop straight there.
That's what I call a deep reach, you know?
Oh, yeah, you can see the bottom, eh? Is that rocks now?
There's something there.
That's the bottom, isn't it? That's a rock there.